Don't download Desjardins online brokerage app before watching this. If you're thinking of downloading the Desjardins online brokerage app, pause for a moment. Most people assume it's just another stock trading platform, but the surprising truth is that it's primarily designed for investors who are comfortable managing their portfolios with a focus on Canadian markets and long-term strategies. The Desjardins online brokerage app lets you trade stocks, ETFs and mutual funds, but here's where many users get it wrong. It's not ideal for active traders looking for lightning-fast execution or complex derivatives trading. The platform emphasizes ease of use, research tools, and portfolio management over high-frequency trading. One key feature is its integration with Desjardins' broader financial ecosystem. You can link your investment accounts with your banking and retirement accounts, which makes tracking and planning much easier. The app also offers market insights, research reports, and real-time quotes, which are useful if you're making informed investment decisions. However, fees can be a factor. While Desjardins offers competitive trading commissions for Canadian stocks, investors accustomed to zero-commission trading platforms might find costs slightly higher, especially for smaller trades. On the upside, you're getting access to professional-grade tools and strong security backed by a well-established financial institution. The app's interface is user-friendly, but beginners might still need some time to navigate advanced tools like limit orders, stop-loss function, and portfolio analytics. Knowing how to use these features effectively can significantly impact your investment results. In conclusion, don't download Desjardins' online brokerage app if you're expecting a fast-paced, day trading experience. This app is best suited for investors who want a solid, reliable platform to manage long-term Canadian investments, with integrated financial tools and detailed research. If that aligns with your goals, it can be a powerful way to grow your wealth safely. But if you're seeking aggressive trading strategies or global market depth, you might want to explore other platforms better suited for those needs.